Hey guys, today we're gonna make a burger from my favorite film, Pulp Fiction, the Big Kahuna burger. It's got pineapple, prawns, and a beef patty, so it's 10 times better than a Royale with cheese. Let's go ahead and make it and you'll see. First thing we're gonna do is pickle the pineapple. I've got this lovely nice pineapple here. You can tell it's ripe by sniffing the top, and if it smells of pineapple, you're good. I'm gonna take chunk like that, take off the skin. You want to use fresh pineapple rather than tin pineapple because tin pineapple is too sweet. And while we want some sweetness running through the burger, fresh pineapple still has a zingy element that just complements the prawns especially very nicely. Take out all the little black bits. Now, want to slice the pineapple as thin as you can. One slice per burger. A sort of thin slice like that looks a little like the same size as a burger patty is going to be. So onto your pineapple, just a little bit of white balsamic vinegar. This is just going to heighten the sweet and sour flavors. So with our pineapple pickling, we're just going to get to work on the patties. Now here we've got chuck steak. It's a lean cut of steak, about 10% fat content, which is good for us. Add some salt and pepper. Nothing else goes in there. I want to keep really simple beef patty here because there's so much other bombastic flavors going on. You don't want to complicate the patty too much. Then take about the size of a small tennis ball, compact that. Because we're trying to imitate a fast food burger, we really want to make it as thin as possible. So with our patties nice and flat, we're going to get the skillet on. We want that nice and hot and just sink them in there. Easy. So whilst the burgers are cooking, I'm just going to work on the other bits. We have these king prawns. Really add to the whole surf and turf vibe I'm trying to get going on here. What you want to do, just slice them as thin as you can. One prawn per burger should be good. That, so it's a sort of carpaccio of prawn. Now we just need to wait for the patties to cook. Burger wouldn't be a burger unless it's a cheeseburger, if you ask me. Just layer your slices of American cheese on top. So I've got brioche buns because they're the best, they're the sweetest. Just a bit of mayonnaise on each side, a bit of ketchup on each side, classic burger sauce. Spread it around. Lay that on there. Iceberg lettuce, and prawns on top. Your piece of pickled pineapple, like so. Put a lid on it. Get it wrapped up, because all fast food burgers come wrapped up in greaseproof paper. So there it is, guys. The Big Kahuna burger, traditionally served with Sprite and a fear of impending death. Now that's a tasty burger.